Hi, this is Bill. He's out with Guild Mortgage, approved by Bill.com with your Friday update. First of all, on the rate side, it's kind of been a good week. They've almost gotten down to the historic lows. In general, the note rate on FHA is 3.75. On conforming loans, you should be below 4, depending on the credit score. So it's good news. And the things that pushed it down some for the last 4 out of the last 5 days is the turmoil in Europe again. Our friends France and Germany are literally ready to throw the Greece out of the EU, and the Prime Minister over there may be forced to resign. So all that turbulence is helping our rates. So that's good news. And then second thing that's very exciting with my team is we're using a lot more technology. So one of the pieces I'm building is an introductory email where, of course, I talk about Guild and have the link on there to apply online. But in addition to that, I've got a video in there for folks who like that. They can click on it, and I'm introducing my loan process, me, my team, and talking about Guild and why realtors use us, that we service loans and we don't have the overlays that the mortgage bankers and banks and brokers have. So it's very good. And the thing I can offer to my agents is we're doing our planning for 2012. I am more than happy to shoot like a 2-minute introductory with you where we kind of talk about each other, and then I'll just edit it right into it. So if you want a specific email that has you on it, it's very good. It also works well if you need to refer a couple other loan officers. You can send them my email with the video. So very cool, and I'm more than happy to help you guys as I'm going through this process with this kind of technology as well. And my favorite overlay of this week is repolling credit. And this is a true story. I had a client last spring who was 2 days prior to close. The bank repolled credit because there had been some inquiries on her previous report. Of course, when they repolled it, her credit had dropped. She was denied 2 days prior to close, lost her earnest money, lost her money on the appraisal, and lost her inspection money and never did get the house. And I talked to her before that and warned her not to go to the bank, but she did. So 9 months later, she comes to me. I pull credit, and we have a high enough score for Guild. It was 600. I don't have to repull credit on in-house product for 4 months, so keep that in mind. Even if there's inquiries and I'm doing a Guild direct deal, I don't have to repull for 3 months. And even if I underwrite the sell to the bank, because your client fits all the little tightness, all the bank overlays and reserves and everything else, I can give them the bank rate. But in that one, I may have to repull after 3 months. So very cool stuff. On my Keeping Current Matters this week, Gallup recently did a poll, and 63% of Americans think it's a great time to buy a home. So they think the rates are low, housing is near the bottom or at the bottom. So stay positive. There's still plenty of buyers out there. I tied my all-time highest production last month, top 5 in this region, and may even break my record this coming month. But anyway, if you guys need me over the weekend, either text, email, or call. And preferably have them go to approvedbybill.com if they're a new home buyer so I can review their stuff. And anyway, it should be a nice, I think, decent weekend. I think we're getting some snow Friday, but make it productive. And if you want the PDF with all these statistics that I keep talking about from Steve Harney, Keeping Current Matters, just let me know and I'll give you a sample. Anyway, have a great weekend.
De piepende kikker.
Bijzonder, hè?
Ik vind het wel zielig. Ze kunnen echt gillen.